Nice coat on that. And then after the fish is nice coated and blackened, we take it to a cast iron skillet and sear it off and finish it in the oven. So before we drop our tilapia in the oil, we prefer cast iron because it gives it a much better sear on each side, gives it a better flavor, and just a nice crispy outer and a really moist inside. So you want to wait till your oil is hot. Usually you'll see smoke rise up. It's called the smoke point. So you want to wait till it gets to that, and then you drop your fish. And when you drop things in oil, you always drop them away from you. And you let that sear on one side for about 2.5 minutes, and then you flip it, and then we finish it in the oven. So right now we're going to put together the pico de gallo for our fish tacos. This is roughly about a cup of chopped tomatoes. This is actually 2 tomatoes equals about a cup. 1 whole garlic clove chopped. About 3 tablespoons of chopped red onion. About 1 tablespoon of fresh cilantro. The juice from 1 whole lime. Just a pinch of salt. With tomatoes, you can always go a little bit heavier on the salt than you normally would. Tomatoes and salt go really well together. And just a little pinch of the pepper. And just mix up your pico. So now we're ready to put together our fish tacos. These are flour tortillas. I just lightly grill them to heat them up and get them soft and pliable. So a little bit of a fresh sliced lettuce on the bottom. Take a fish. This is the finished product, the blackened fish. A little bit on each. A little bit of the pico de gallo that we made previously. A little bit of sour cream. Fresh queso fresco, which is a soft Mexican cheese. And these are our fish tacos.